In this digital, fast-paced world, we've disconnected ourselves from nature. For our own well-being, we need to reconnect. Just running your hands through the mossy boughs of a tree, looking at all the gnarly twists and turns with no leaves. It's where we evolve from. We need to reconnect back with nature. Just standing in a woodland, listening to the birds, looking at the light hitting the carpet, watching the ponies roam in the woods, and just stand with your face to the sun. So why is it so important that we reconnect to nature? Since the dawning of man, we've worked these lands. We've lived by the rhythm of the seasons. Nature is where we've evolved from. We're not separate from nature, we are nature, and this is what we need to remember. And when we disconnect ourselves, we never feel quite aligned. Just this simple therapy of sitting in nature or walking and just slowing down, it's enough to lower our blood pressure, boost our immune system and lower our stress levels. This is why it's so important for us to reconnect with our lands. So you may have heard of something called forest bathing. Let's not overcomplicate things. It's simply about slowing down and taking time in nature. So why don't you come with me and I can show you how to do it. Sometimes to reconnect to nature, it's nice just to sit in the energy of the trees. You can open up all your senses around a tree. You can feel the moss. You can look at the gnarly bark on the trees. You can listen to the birds singing from the boughs. And you can just sit and enjoy a moment with these old souls in a beautiful landscape. When you slow down in nature, you realise that nature's offering you gifts all the time through feathers and nuts, acorns, berries, all sorts of things. When we start to slow down and pick these up, it just creates a deeper connection. It makes us start to think about where these things came from, how these berries are going to seed, and what might have eaten the nut out of the beech cast. Reconnecting to nature isn't just about walking the woodland. It's about opening all our senses to our surroundings. Deep here in the woodlands in the New Forest on this early spring day, I can hear the birds singing. It's nesting season. It's a place of anticipation. In the distance, I can hear drumming woodpeckers, and far across the heath, I can hear a cuckoo calling. Whether you call this forest bathing or mindfulness, nature is our therapist, and this is all we need.